Satu, dua, tiga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Today, we from the Wanava Group will be presenting our project and enterprise sentiment analysis of PF review using knife bias algorithm. And our team is me, Wandi Filemon Martosanturi, and my friend Muhammad Novel Tawid Rapasya and Pas Ruth Maya Priscilla. Next. And background analyzing user comments and Shopee aims to understand customer perceptions of products, service, quality, and the overall shopping experience. User comments are a direct source of data that can provide insights into customer needs, common issues, and potential improvements for both sellers and the platform. This initial planning is designed to ensure the analysis process is focused, systematic, and produces relevant information. And two, purpose. Applying data meaning steps from pre-processing to evaluation to Shopee app review data. Number two, implementing the knife bias algorithm as a classifier to classify Shopee app review sentiment into positive, negative, or neutral classes. Number three, evaluating the performance and accuracy of the knife bias model in conducting sentiment analysis on Shopee user review. Next, library. Essential libraries for sentiment analysis projects. These libraries are work together to turn raw review text into measurable sentiment insights. Essential libraries for sentiment analysis projects to execute the steps we discussed: data loading, distribution analysis, text pre-processing, feature extraction, and knife bias. Next, labeling. This code block performs data labeling by converting text labels into numeric representation using skleron's label encoder. And this code is the paper presentation. Next, and the next, my friend Novel Tauhid Trapasya.
Okay, this is 20 frequently occurring words. The code performs a simple word frequency analysis on a text column, likely a review comment column. The majority of words are Indonesian stop words, such as di dan saya, yang ada, nya, untuk, dengan, ini, tidak. This is perfectly normal, as these words appear in almost every sentence. Result of labeling. Number one, initial list label encoder. Label encoder creates an object of the label encoder class from the Escalon preprocessing library. Label encoder is used to convert the label to numbers, text label to numbers. Second, encoding the sentiment column. The filtered label encoder uh, uh, means fit learns all unique values in the sentiment column, e.g. positive, negative, neutral. Transform, convert these text values to number. For example, negative can be 0, neutral can be 1, and positive can be 2. A new column name label encoded is added to the filtered data frame to store this numeric value. 3. Displaying label mapping. Label mapping uh, label mapping the Ziply classes, and creates a dictionary showing how the original text labels positive, negative, neutral are mapped to their numeric values 0, 1, 2. This is crucial for understanding and interpreting the model result. Printing result. For printing result, the print section display the label mapping, so you know which number represent which sentiments. Then it display the first 5 rows of the filtered data frame with 3 columns: content, sentiment, the original labels, and label encoded the new numeric label. Filtering. Filtering code. Uh, this is we saw review about sentiment positive. Uh, this result of filtering code. This code demonstrates being able to selectively view a subset of this database on certain criteria in the sentiment column, which is a fundamental example of filtering in data analysis. And model. This code of result of model multinomial. Once of the model is trained, we need to measure how well it performs user metrics as accuracy, precision, and recall. This is distribution. The image says SNS count plot, which means the original code is Seaborn SNS for count plot, a more aesthetically pleasing bar chart. This is equivalent to a regular bar plot in Matplotlib, but Seaborn makes it more aesthetically pleasing. This is the initial exploratory data analysis (EDA) step to understand the distribution of the target variable score or rating. And the next slide will be presented with my friend Ruth-Maya Priscilia.
Classification. Classification in this project is the process of labeling sentiment categories in review text. Next. Confusion metric form classification. Key points from this matrix: mean, diagonal, correct, predicted only at 009, correct for rating 1 and 4 1 4 4 4 5 1, correct for rating 5. The majority of model prediction are of rating 5 plus 4. The rightmost columns prediction 4 for constants. Always all of the data 5 8 out of negative 4 0 1. The model always prediction rating 5 even for data with equally long rating 1 sampai 4. Classes 2 at 3, casual rating 3 at 4 are never predicted at all. Column 2 at 3, the black. There is only one prediction or class 1 actual rating 2 as interpreting prediction 5. Next, separation. The code for spreading data based on positive, negative, and neutral sentiment is missing for the netbook version. F an experience of filtering and qualifying the sum for X category. 1. Now I look at the code to get spreading data trends for action sentiments. Next diagram. Why the positive, the monitoring app rating matches the App Store Play Store rating system with 5 stars in her hereditary and quality guess high rating. User of give 5-star rating if the app is confusion as and match bets next, which is prevalent in positive sentiment. This diagram in a bar are the components. Visual elements, descriptive, and scientification. Next. Thank you.
That's all the presentation from our group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.